And this is my power plant modelling project for my Coursera course. To answer the questions that have been asked, to start, I had to identify my modelling approach. I identified this as a regression problem because our goal is to predict a number, the power plant's hourly energy output measured in megawatts. I reviewed the dataset and selected all 4 available features: ambient temperature, exhaust vacuum, atmospheric pressure, and relative humidity, as they each represent physical conditions that could affect the energy production. In terms of algorithm, since I was using Excel, I focused on linear regression models, which are ideal for this kind of continuous output prediction and easy to implement in a spreadsheet. Next, I had to build the model. So to build the model, I split the data set into a training set here and a test set using an 80-20 split. Then I created 2 different models. The first used all, let me see if I can find the right, this one. The first used all 4 features, and the second used just here the temperature and vacuum, since those had the strongest relationship with the output based on correlation. I used Excel's regression tool to generate each model and applied the formulas to the test set to make predictions. This way, I could compare how different combinations of features affected performance and choose the most effective one. To evaluate the model, I used mean absolute error, which tells us on average how far off each prediction was from the real value. This is a clear, intuitive metric for understanding model accuracy. I calculated the MAE for both models here. Here we go. For both models, using the test set, which is this set here, and I use this to compare the performance fairly. So that's model 1 with the 4 features and model 2 with 2 features. In the end, the model using the 4 features, temperature, exhaust vacuum, ambient pressure, and relative humidity, performed best. It had the lowest mean absolute error, meaning its predictions were close to the actual output values. This tells me the model is doing a solid job of capturing the relationship between the environmental conditions and the energy output. It's a strong baseline, and if I wanted to continue improving it, I could explore more advanced tools beyond Excel like Python or AutoML. So that's my project. I've got my data, my training sets, my test set, and my 2 regression calculations. Thank you all for listening and for reviewing my project.